So we got a tornado emergency alert on our phone to take immediate shelter on the ground. There's a very tight couplet just north of Stanton, Virginia.
Turn right.
I am currently in this right now. There's very large hail falling. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh wow, look at the size of the hail falling. Look at them. Grab one. Oh my god, I could reach out and grab one.
I'll go to break.
I'm locked.
Oh my god.
Very big hail. Very big hail with this storm.
There's your hail, everybody.
Right there.
Find the shelter.
Again, this is a tornado emergency alert. Very tight couplet. Very heavy, strong winds, hail. Take immediate shelter if you are in the path of the